Hey, what's up you guys? I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial today. This is the finished look. Surprise!
Nice.
But basically it's just a yellow, orange, pink, like sunset type of look on your eyes. I really like it. It's one of my go-to looks that I do all the time. Continue to watch and you'll see how to do it, even though you probably know how to do it because there's like 1,000 other videos online telling you guys how to do it. So, did my eyebrows off camera. I used the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and then I used Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to clean them up. I'll be doing my eyeshadow on camera for you guys. I'm using this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion, and I'm going to just be putting that on the base of my lids for a primer. It's really good to keep the eyeshadow on for a long time, but personally I don't think it blends eyeshadows really well on the eye with this primer. Now I'm going to be using Too Faced Born This Way setting powder with my Morphe M166 brush on my eyes. I'm just going to brush off the excess or the fallout of it. Access, I don't know the word. So my camera just died, so that's great, but then I got a charge, so we're gonna get back into this. I'm gonna be using my Morphe James Charles palette. I'm going to be using a Okay, well anyways, I'm gonna be using a Morphe 433 brush, and I'm going to be dipping it into the yellow color in this palette. Yeah, and I know that I'm using the wrong brushes for all of these things, but I just don't care, so whatever. I'm just going to be putting the yellow shade on, like, I don't know what it's called, like the upper, above the crease thingy on my eye. I don't know what it's called, but I'm just going to be doing that, okay? I don't want to build it up till it's pretty bright. Okay. I'm going to be adding more as I go. Next, I'm going to be using this one right there. And I'm going to be using a M433 brush for that. I'm just going to add it right below the yellow a little bit. And I'm going to blend it together. These colors in this palette are really pigmented.
Stop it.
Pigmented?
Get some help.
As you can see, the yellow was took over by the orange, so I'm gonna go back in with the yellow again and add that on top of the orange. Now we're gonna be going into the pink color called Skip. It's that pink color, and I'm gonna be using a M433 brush for that. And I'm gonna put this more like under the orange. Okay, actually, I want that on my like eye thingy, yeah, I don't know the parts of the eye, like a, hold on, clear screen, sorry. Oh shoot. Okay, I'm gonna be using a Morphe M224, and I'm just gonna put this like where the bottom part of the eye, under the crease, I think. As you can tell by my technique, I'm very good at makeup. When I do my makeup, I like to make a mess on my face too, so. Because I don't have the patience to take my time, really. One is a little more orangey than the other. Ooh. What have I done? I'm gonna just use a makeup remover thingy bobber and just clean up everywhere the eyeshadow should not be. You do not want to see how I do my eyebrows, because pretty much I just take that brow made thingy and I go everywhere with it and I make a complete mess because I'm too lazy to take the time, and then I just conceal every single thing that I pretty much just did. So next, I'm going to be using this Too Faced to prime my face. I'm also gonna spray my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter before I even put on all the makeup. I watched a video one time and they said that if you do that before you even put your your foundation and stuff on, it like makes your makeup last longer, and I need that. because I sweat way too much, and it actually kind of helps though. Now I'm gonna use my Cover FX Power Play foundation. Okay, I need to go get the sweat because I'm back. Yeah, this foundation doesn't match my neck, but my skin tone always changes colors, and I don't have enough money to buy foundation every single time it changes. So we're just gonna deal with it. Blend that shit down your neck. Act like
Are you sure about that?
Now we're gonna put foundation on my big billboard forehead. Cover that thing up. Next, I'm gonna go back with my Tarte Shape Tape concealer and brighten up the areas of my face. Next, I'm going to be using my her name's Kate now. Kat Von D Shade and Light Contour thingy, and my contour brush. And I'm going to be using the lightest shade in it. I like to put as much on my face right away because I don't like building it up. So I put as much on as I want, and then I just blend the crap out of it.
Nice.
Now we're going to contour my billboard forehead, try and make it look as small as possible. We don't need attention up on that part of my face. Now, I take this brush, it's like for buffering or something, I don't know. But now I'm just gonna blend the crap. I'm gonna be using this highlighter. I don't know, it's like Estee Lauder. Isn't it like a holiday place or something? I don't know, but
stop it.
This
Get some help.
Highlighter. It's really cute. I like it a lot. And I'm gonna be using the Morphe E48 brush. Next, we're spraying Urban Decay on my face to set it. We're just gonna curl them eyelashes. Now I'm taking this Superhero mascara, and I'll just put that on my upper and lower eyelashes.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Thank you for watching my video. I am going to be trying different types of videos on my YouTube channel. In the past I've done more of like GoPro edits, and people have been telling me to try and make other videos and vlog and stuff like that, but it's kind of hard getting comfortable talking to a camera. It's a lot different. Usually I'm behind the camera just holding it and making edits, which is a lot easier in my mind. So I'm going to be trying to do more videos like this or vlogs and stuff like that, but if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and comment below if you have any other video ideas that you guys would like me to do. And thank you so much for watching.